If you've been treating your healing like a repair job, I need you to hear this. You are not a problem to solve. You are a person to love. Today, I'm blending for anyone who thinks healing means fixing what's broken. Listen, you're not broken as you heal. You are human. You are learning, and you're allowed to be unfinished and still worthy. And loving yourself, that isn't selfishness. It's foundation, and it's what brings, what's what makes everything else in your life healthier. Hello, beautiful souls. Jean from Voodoo Blends by Jack. Today I'm making a blend for when you need something you can come back to, especially on those days when your mind is loud and your heart is just tired. This blend is for people who, in your life, or even myself, who are struggling with self acceptance. The ones who keep trying to get it right so they can finally feel worthy. The ones who are productive, helpful, strong, but privately they're exhausted from being at war with themselves. This is not a fix yourself blend. This is a come back to yourself. So before I start, quick note, not medical advice. This is supportive, not a substitute for care. I'm going to blend like I typically do with a cotton ball and one drop at a time. At the end, it might be fine, it might need more, it might be just right, like Goldilocks. Let's blend. All right, starting with wild orange. Wild orange. I didn't want this to be too sweet. Okay, so hence not started with my favorite sweet oil. All right, here we go. One drop wild orange. It's a beautiful citrus, but not. Okay, two. Two it is. Okay, wild orange. This is your welcome. This is the part that says you don't have to earn your place here. When you're struggling with self love, your nervous system is often bracing, like love is conditional, like it'll be taken away if you're messy or sad or needy. This brings the warmth without pressure. We got two. We'll see what happens. Happy to. Guava leaf. What? Guava leaf? It's from Thailand. Yesterday at Orapalooza, we got one. Beautiful. And guava leaf was actually picked up by one of the healers intuitively. So sometimes you got to trust those moments. So because sometimes the mind wants a plan, but the body knows what it needs. So physically, guava leaf is a powerful profile. It has beta caroline and limonene, what supports calming, soothing, and purifying. Emotionally, it feels like fresh air, like opening a window in a room that's held too much. This oil says, you're not broken, you're overwhelmed and tense. You're carrying more than you meant to carry. You just need to put some of it down. It's nice. You can smell the guava. Still smell orange. Floral. I wanted a heart centering floral, but I kept trying ones and they were just too overpowering, too much. So I went with linden blossom. This is actually linden blossom CO2. So very much like the actual blossom. Nope, got two. It's like the fresh blossoms as they open. It is honey, sweet, but not, yeah, it's got some, that little bit of honey. It's beautiful. Okay, so when you're struggling with self-love and you're lying to yourself, like, oh, this should be over, I shouldn't feel this way, I need to be strong, I can't need anything, I'm only lovable when I'm doing well. Linden feels like a gentle honesty that doesn't punish you for being real. It's a whisper, not a flood. Well, maybe with two it came into a flood, but I think we're gonna be good. It's for the heart. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, frankincense. You know I love frankincense. Good old Frank. Let's see what Frank gives us. Two. Two it is. Oh, that deep grounding resin. It kind of cut the sweetness of that linden blossom. Okay. So, frankincense is the witness. It's the part of you that can look at your life without attacking you. It brings perspective, steadiness. It says, you're worthy. It's not up for debate today. You don't have to perform to belong. You don't have to be healed to be loved. So, we got two, 1 and 2 so far. Okay. Last but not least, cypress. Oh, I love the cypress. It's that flow, it's release, it's movement. It keeps that emotion, energy, whatever you need, the love, the heart. So, cypress. 2 it is for cypress. Because healing isn't a straight line. It's self-acceptance isn't a single breakthrough. It's practice. Cypress supports the feeling of I can keep going, I can keep growing, I can let this move through me. Okay. I'm not sure what happened with all the 2 drops, but we definitely need to play around with this a little bit. I can smell the linden blossom, so I don't need more heart. I can smell the frankincense, so I don't need more steady grounding. I'm gonna do another wild orange because I need a little warmth. Just one, please. One. There we go. Nice. Not, surprising. Oranges should be that first thing you smell, but it's pleasant. It blends really well with that linden blossom. It enhances the sweetness without it being like too sweet. Blends well with that honey aroma. And I really want to bring some guava back in here because that poor guy is the only one that got the 1 drop where everybody else got 2. Guava's going to get me that fresh reset. Hey, guava, what do you got? Oh, is that it? It's beautiful. That guava, the linden's the heart, but this guava is really, it's like it's supportive. It's grounding, but not like frankincense is grounding. Beautiful. The orange is coming through, the linden blossoms coming through. I'm not smelling a lot of cypress, but I think that's okay. It can be a background flow. Very. Oh yes, I do love this. So, two. I'll have to go back and watch the video to see how many I got drops. But yes, this is self-acceptance. This is loving myself through healing. This is practicing as I go through all the ups and downs because life isn't a straight line. It is ups and downs, roller coasters, twists and turns, raceways, and sometimes it's just a calm path on a out nature and whatnot. Okay, so you're not a problem to solve. You are a person to love. I love you. You're not broken as you heal. Loving yourself isn't selfish. It's the foundation that makes everything else in your life healthier. Okay, if you're watching this for someone you love, or a part of you that still struggles sometimes, if you're blending, I'm blending for you, I'm blending for me. If you need to pass this along to somebody to let them know that they're not broken, they don't need to be fixed, please do. If you try this blend, tell me in the comments. What do you need right now most of? Fresh air. Oh, that linden blossom's really coming through now that this is sitting. Heart softness, steady grounding. If you're making it for someone else, what would you want them to feel on their first breath? Oh, beautiful. Oh, happy blending. I'll see you in the next video.